I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we have headed off on a little trip. We have headed away for a couple of days down into Cornwall into the Red Roof area, and we are staying in Pigallie cottages or barns, and the one we have here that you see behind me in the green door is the one that we have booked to be staying in. It's quite a fantastic place and we are going to come and take you around. Okay, so just walked in through the front door, and first thing we walk into is the kitchen area, and looks like a great fridge freezer, and I can see a microwave, a toaster, and we've got a hob. And then as we turn around, we've got this lovely open plan room where we see my marvellous daughter on this huge great sofa. You sprawl out, girl, and enjoy it. She's primed and set up because we basically have the TV in the corner which we get to watch along with our free Wi-Fi, and I'm sure you're going to be gaming on the free Wi-Fi for ages. As we pan around to the outdoor area, to my lovely darling wifey that is sat here on our lovely veranda enjoying the summer sunshine. You're missing the glass of wine, darling. I shall have to get you the glass of wine in a moment. As we then come back indoors again, we have this lovely dining area that we see here. Over there I won't bother with that cupboard because that one's actually just a storage area. But if we come over here, my daughter is extremely happy. Forget your normal hotel rooms, as she nearly goes headfirst into the door. And forget your normal hotel rooms. This is my daughter's bed. How much room have you got? You're going to be spreading out.
Also, I like the cupboard. You know why?
Why do you like the cupboard?
It's so big. I literally tied it.
Oh my lord, Megan, where'd you go? Open the doors. Open the doors. Open both of the doors. How big is that cupboard? Oh my lord, Megan, that's full in. Well, that's the definition of walk-in wardrobe, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Love that.
Look at the size. It's bigger than the bed. That size of the wardrobe.
That's amazing. Loving that. Okay, let's go into the master bedroom. I think that might have been the master bedroom. I think we got this the wrong way around. So in here, yeah, that was the master bedroom. In here, we basically we have our lovely bed, and then we have a normal tall boy in there. Yeah, we've got that one. We've got that the wrong way around. We might have to swap rooms here, Meg. Have the walk-in wardrobe. But we do have another double bed and a nice view outside. And then let's come back around again. Oh, let's go and show you the shower and the bathroom. So we've got a towel rail that is on the side, which is very nice. As my daughter is modelling, you can also see me in the mirror. And yes, it's a tap. And then we have a full-blown shower area.
And the toilet. Don't forget the toilet.
Oh, just what we always wanted is the toilet. But we do have a lovely shower kind of wet room effect, which is really, really nice. So this is our place that we're going to be staying, as I say, down in the Red Roof type area. We'll talk to you a little about this place a little bit more as we get to know. We've got free Wi-Fi here, we've got a telly here, all of the amenities, tons and tons of room, tons of space, and very reasonably priced. We'll tell you a little bit more about that a little bit later on. But we're going to bring you on some of our excursions. We're going to show you about the fun times that we have here, and take you around some of the areas that we go to in Cornwall. So stay tuned and we'll show you a little bit more when my daughter relaxes into her lovely summer's day. Okay, so here's our front door. We're now going to have a walk around and I will show you what everything else looks like. So we've got our own parking space that's there, as have other people. This is our decking that you saw from the inside. As you can see, someone on top of us, and there's another one over here. Looks like we have, I'm seeing a bit of a children's play area over there. That's interesting, and looks like there's some kind of a greenhouse thing. It's over here, nice grass area if someone wanted to come along, kick a football around or something of that nature. And then also, if you're looking at some of the other barns, then also you can see down here there's also the other barns as well. This is really nice, really quiet as well. There you go, some of the other barns. This looks like a nice stream. Let's come and have a look at this. Look at that, nice watery stream. Oh, bending down. That's lovely. Really, really quiet. Shallow, Meg, come on. Enjoyed that. Right, another one.
Okay, missed that one. See where he's going next. Oh, it's a big one! Okay, that actually pushed me then.
Oh, cool, that one.
Yeah! Whoa! Ah, you kicked me in the face! Oh my god!
Welcome to the pirate's adventure through the wilderness. This is just outside of Penzance. This is a place where you can go and explore the gardens. We're walking up the wooded decking path. Well, I'm actually walking down now, but walking up at the moment. No, down at the moment. As you can see, lovely river and a really great walk if you want to see the plants and see some wilderness and get some wildlife. This is the one for you. It loops. Ooh, there's a seat. I think there might be a couple of crocodiles in there. There's a seat. Oh, it says lunch on the grass. Not sure I fancy having lunch in the slime pit. Water. Welcome to Jumanji. Hey, another seat. Lots of places to sit around here. Somewhere in there is the Jumanji jewel, Megan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching and see you again soon.